Okay, so I've decided to do a demo of the long outstanding demo of my Boost converter LED driver. So here it is. This is the circuitry here. So we have a small halogen 12 volt 10 watt bulb, which I use for testing. It's definitely much cheaper than the LEDs, and it's not glued to my enclosure, so it's much easier to deal with. But in effect, it has the same power output as the LED string, so it's quite convenient. So this is the Arduino, obviously, and this is my Boost converter circuit based on the NCP3065, which is conveniently packaged in an 8-dip format. We have my quite large inductor here from Coilcraft. If I remember properly, it's 68 microhenry. A quite large diode also with quite small forward voltage drop. We have the external gate here, which consists of a small NPN transistor, a diode, and a MOSFET. And we have the output caps here. So I'm going to plug this in, and we'll see pretty much full power. Actually, this is rather more like 60% output because I have the current sensing resistor here, limiting the output for testing purposes. I'm also using a 6-volt wall wart, and so this will be running at about 11.5 volt. It will work very nicely on a battery also, obviously. And so here it is. Ta-da! And so we have light. So I'm going to use the Arduino with pulse width modulation to control the dimming of the light. I'm not sure it works perfectly right now. I'm assuming I'm missing part of the range of the dimming, though I'd have to do some more testing, but it is what appears to be the case right now. I'll plug it in and you'll see it's going to go from 0 to 255 in a couple increments. And so we start seeing dimming, but all the time, about half the time, we don't see anything. It could be due to a couple different things. The first thing could be that we just can't see the difference, which might be the case, although that's not what my previous testing was telling me. And so that's it. I'll have to investigate a bit more. I hope you enjoyed.